mess. Come they move like a disco. One nick in my lolata. Happy pose, happy actor. So never give me ball under. Oh yeah, come take a picture. Right, you're young buyer. Oh yeah, follow my instruction.
Hello, I'm Princess Ronke Ademilui, and I'm the founder of Africa Fashion Weeks Nigeria and London.
Can't they smoke cannabis? Doctor say make a pop on this. Make me fly like say I'm Aladdin. Come bring some kind melodies.
Hi, my name is King. I'm from Mozambique, and I'm here to co-produce, to help the team to produce this amazing show.
Can they move like a disco? One nick in my lolata. Happy pose, happy actor. So never give me ball under. Oh yeah, come take a picture. Right, you're young buyer. Oh yeah, follow my instruction.
The Adire fabric is the best fabric in the world. You know, it's our heritage fabric that's been around for thousands of years, and we're trying to position it to be the new kente. You know, the way kente is to Ghana, we're trying to position the Adire fabric, you know, to be that to Nigeria, to be able to identify Adire with Nigeria.
She calling up. Anytime when she want, give me love, you know. I like a flat tire, me go bump it up. And every other day now she dey turn me on. Say me as they make a condiment. As soon as you reach out to the concrete,
I think it will be the Adire people's catwalk, because we're going to see so many people on that runway, young people as well, old people as well. So I think that's going to be my best moment.
Happy pose, happy actor. So never give me ball under. Oh yeah, come take a picture. Right, you're young buyer. Oh yeah, follow my instruction.
Adire fabric is just a huge statement for Africa, not only Nigeria. I think this is a great message for Africans to be proud of our fabrics, to be proud of our colors, to be proud of amazing fashion that we have here.
That was amazing, absolutely. Did you see that small boy? What's his name?
Electricity, vibes on a frequency, yeah. Till infinity, steady on a different beat. Life is not that deep, it's all about the energy, yeah. The mentality.
For me, I really love the Adire showcasing. I love the whole show, it's been amazing. I think I love the clothing, the art. It's been an amazing experience for day one.
And I see darkness all around me, but I know I'm the light. Shake it, baby, shake it. I feel your vibration. My girl on motion. Beautiful temptation. My girl on rotation.
This is our 8th edition, so definitely we're going to be doing it every year. We're consistent in everything we do, so definitely it's coming up next year as well. And a big shout out to Tour Nigeria.
Love is very sweet, but first you must get the moolah. Now poverty, now you make it my worry. Nobody go sign. And you know everything I do is nobody else concerned. She go come online. And I see that.
Definitely, I'm coming for next year. We're coming bigger, stronger. This is just a beginning of many years of beautiful fashion, of growth, and impacting the world with our African fashion.
Shake it, baby, shake it. Not tonight. Electricity, vibes on a frequency, yeah.
Hi, this is King from Mozambique. Shout out to Tour Nigeria.
Steady on a different beat.